This Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty property video is presented by Joyce Hoffman. Nicely updated 3-bedroom, with a bonus room that could be a 4th bedroom with addition of a closet. Lots of updates. All new wiring and electric service panel, bath is totally refurbished, new hot water heater, all new floor coverings and new upper cabinets in the kitchen. Certified wood stove in living room and gas space heater that looks like a fireplace in the kitchen. Quiet street in the suburbs on 0.24 acres with a detached double-car garage. Great investment property. This is a cash-only sale. For more information, review the details below or contact Joyce Hoffman at 541-884-1343.